Hi guys, my name is Marina Hayner and I am a high school and middle school business teacher in a small rural school outside of St. Joseph, Missouri. Just a little about me. So apart from teaching, I also do FBLA and I am also the junior class sponsor. So I do with prom and all the fun planning with prom. Um, I enjoy sports. I like running. I enjoy volleyball, and it's kind of funny because I'm at a school district that doesn't have volleyball. I like basketball. I did track, cheerleading in school, so I was very involved, very active. Um, I am also getting married this year, so fun wedding planning, and that will be in May. So I'm also finishing up my master's program, and hopefully I'll be done in December. And then after that, I just enjoy having the free time whenever I do get it. And then, of course, I love what I do. So my experience with technology, I would say that I know technology well. There's always room for improvement, though, so I know that there are still areas that I can improve on with technology. Um, the biggest thing that I struggle with technology and specifically in my classroom, I would say um, the district itself isn't up to date with technology. So whenever I want to incorporate new technology to the students, it takes more of them knowing the foundation of technology. So then we have to go over like whatever um, tool we're using at the time, explain the tool, go over the tool, and that just takes time away from learning the advanced features of the tool. So there are times that it takes longer than it should when they should have already known some of the tools that we go over. So that's probably the biggest challenge that I face. Um, what do I hope to gain from this program? So I hope that this will help to teach me new things about technology, get me more involved, um, help me to work with students that are behind in technology, because I get that we are already behind in technology, but I feel like the district is pretty far behind. Um, and this is my third year teaching, so I came out of college and I had all these ideas, and then I had to like step back, and then we had a lot to go over and a lot to get to the point. But my future plans with this program. Eventually, I would hope to become like the IT director or even the assistant. Even now, when the IT person isn't here, a lot of teachers come to me for assistance, and I do the best I can. But there are just some things, of course, for job security reasons, that we have an IT person. I've thought about going into counseling after this master's program, and then even having this technology background would help when it comes with students and career planning and the careers they want to go to, and even organization. So I think there's a lot that we can learn from each other, and I'm very excited for that. I love networking. I love hearing other people's ideas. I love constructive criticism because there's always room for improvement. So I'm very excited for this class. I'm very excited to get to know all of you, and I hope we all have a good semester. Thanks.